In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email account in Microsoft Outlook using Imap. Setting up your email in Outlook with Imap allows you to keep your emails in sync across multiple devices, ensuring you have access to your messages from anywhere. Let's dive right into the process to make sure your setup goes smoothly. First, we'll start by heading over to Microsoft 365's Outlook login page. You can access this directly through your web browser. Once there, you'll notice a sign-in option. Click on that to begin the process of logging into your account. Make sure to have your credentials handy, as you'll need to enter them to proceed. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Outlook homepage. Navigate your way through this familiar interface and look towards the upper right corner. Here you'll find the settings icon. It often looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up various options related to your Outlook configurations. In the settings menu, direct your attention to the Mail option. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several choices designed to help you manage your email preferences. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they can help customize your overall email experience. Now, look for the section labeled Forwarding and Imap. Click this option to further refine your mail settings. Imap is crucial as it ensures that the actions you take on your emails, like deleting or organizing, are reflected across all your devices. This way, whether you're accessing your email from your phone, tablet, or desktop, everything stays consistent. One more step remains to complete your setup. You'll need to verify your account to enable email forwarding or syncing across devices. It's a security measure to ensure it's really you trying to make these changes. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone or another email account. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your email account in Microsoft Outlook using Imap. As a quick reminder, having Imap configured means you can manage your emails seamlessly, no matter where you are or what device you're using. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, be sure to check out the help resources available on Microsoft's website or in the Outlook application itself. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video or found it beneficial, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Stay connected and organized with your Outlook email. Have a great day.